Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to auto write captions for social media. So guys, are you struggling to come up with catchy captions? In this quick tutorial I'll show you how you can use a Canva AI hack that automatically writes social media captions for you fast and on your brand. All right, so in this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Canva's Magic Write and AI tools for captions. You will learn how to generate engaging copies for Instagram, Facebook, and any other social media platform. You're going to learn how to customize the tone, length, and keywords, and also save time while keeping your content creative and consistent. All right, so let's get into it. Your first step would be to click on text. So click on this text here, scroll and find where we have Magic Write. So it's just underneath add a text box. So click on Magic Write and it pulls up this panel where you can type in some stuff. So go ahead and describe what you want. We could go with an example from Canva. So let's go with an example. Click on try an example. So it says here, brainstorm ideas for marketing a new running shoe and explain the benefit of each idea. So you could now build upon this, and keyword is green. So this is the keyword, and then we can now customize the length, and it shouldn't be too long. And then you can also set the tone. So you could be set the tone to joyful glee. So you could set the tone to joyful glee. And now all you need to do is brainstorm ideas for a new marketing running shoe and just click on send. So it's going to generate something like this. So we have examples here you could use. Eco-friendly marathon events. So host a green run marathon where participants wear the new running shoes. This event highlights the product's sustainable nature and fosters community spirit. The joy of collective participation is an eco-conscious event. Yes. So now it has brainstormed ideas for you. So you could now tell it to more like this, but let's try this. This, but not an idea, but a caption. So you could have it as a caption. And now just simply click on generate. So go ahead and click on generate. And now it says, join the green run, celebrate sustainability and community spirit. Yes. You can now change it again. Now do this for IG, that's Instagram. Click on generate. And boom, it's going to keep on generating more and more prompts or text. And then you can just click on insert. That's insert this into whatever page you're on or whatever design you're working on. And you could just have it like this and you can move it around your design. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.